Hello guys, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 21, which is merge two sorted list. Suppose you are given the heads of the two sorted linked list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing, splicing together the nodes of the first two sets. Return the head of the merged linked list. So we need to solve this problem in order of n time. So suppose these two are linked list. First one is 1 to 4, second one is 1 3 4. And we need to merge like that 1 1 2 3 4 4. So how can we do this? So the idea is to have a new pointer which will point to the head of the new linked list. So basically we will have head and tail, and then we will use a loop to iterate over the elements of the given to list and check which element is smaller, which list has the smaller element, and we will basically append that element into the new list. So this is the idea. Let's code it up. So let's first have the two pointers. Tail is equals to head. So the head is pointing to the new linked list. Now let's iterate over the elements. Suppose if list 1 has the smaller element than list 2, then what we are going to do is tail dot next is equals to list 1, list 1 is equals to list 1 dot next. Basically we are moving forward in the list 1. Otherwise we will do the same operation for list 2. Okay. At the end we will move forward the pointer in the tail. Tail is equals to tail dot next. We have this we have merged the list, but it may be possible that some of the elements may be remaining in list 1. So tail dot next is equals to list 1. Similarly for list 2. At the end we can run head dot next. Let's run the code. You see all the test cases are passed. Okay, as you can see over here. Now let's submit the code. So you see submission is successful, our code is working fine, and the time complexity here is order of n. So where n is equals to the total sum of elements of list 1 and list 2. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.